Alright, today I'm fired up. Today I'm fired up. I am in one of those modes today. I'm finishing up my masters. I'm finishing up. I'm doing my semester coming to an end. I'm doing all the work. I'm getting it done. I'm on the phone with my friends who are doing this, who were just grinding, trying to get to the big leagues, trying to get into dental school, and I'm just fired up. There's so much positive energy around today. I can't even stand it. So I had to turn this camera on because things are happening. Things are happening. People are starting to buy the apparel. People are going to NoGrindNoGlory.com and picking out the shirts because they're relating to these messages. It's just so much positive energy flowing right now. It's unbelievable. And today I want to talk about, I'm on the phone with my buddy Harvey Martin. Harvey plays in the Brewers organization. Harvey was the kid I used to coach. He's been through the struggle. And we're talking about another buddy of ours who has been through it. And I want to talk about him today. His name's Matt Loomis. And it's our boy. We all love Matt. We call him Loop. We call him Loomis. He's just a genuinely good person with good energy, and he attracts people around him because he's so positive. But that's my group. I'm so fortunate. That's what I want to tell you. I'm so fortunate to have the group I have because every day is a testament to what hard work, what going after it, what living the no grind, no glory lifestyle is all about and what it gets you. And I want to talk about Matt. Matt was trying to get to dental school, okay? Matt played college baseball. He did the whole thing, and he didn't make it. But then he transferred that work ethic, and he put all his energy into dental school. And Matt went to the library 12 hours a day. Matt had a job. He woke up at 4 in the morning, went to his job, got out of the job at 9, went home, quick bite from 10 to 10 in the library, studying for this exam you got to take to get into dental school. And Matt's doing this thing daily. I'm talking, this is a routine. Matt had this. He had that job. He had the library. He barely ate. He was asking people, he was tweeting out, bring me Subway, please, I'll pay you 50 bucks. He was so hungry but couldn't leave. He was doing his thing. He was so focused. And then Matt takes the test. And he fails. But this is where the story starts. Not where it ends. Not where it ends. This is where it starts. Because Matt, as devastated as he was that he failed the test after 4-5 months in a row with just grinding in the library the way he did, just studying nonstop, doing his thing. But Matt knows this. Matt knows that one test wasn't going to decide his future. One test wasn't going to be the roadblock that would keep him from his dreams. One test? Come on, man. We're talking about one test. Yeah, you put the time in, but you know what? Things don't always happen the first time, the second time, the third time. Some people go 0 for 15 before they hit the game-winning three-pointer. So Matt knew this. And so Matt, what did he do? He gave himself like 3 hours to be devastated. And then he started grinding again. We're talking library. But now we're talking library with a couple jobs. We're talking straight focused on what he wanted out of life. Even more so now, but he also now, here's the thing, from the failure, Matt learned because now he knew what that test was like. Going into it, he knew it was going to be hard, but he didn't know. So not only did Matt not quit, he didn't quit because he's not average. He's not most people. Most people shut it down right then and there. That's it for me. Can't do it. But Matt took what he did. He took the failure and he studied more. And this time he had more direction. And it burned deeper inside of him because he wanted even more now. One day I called up Matt. Hey, Matt, how'd the test go, man? I passed it, baby. I passed it. And I'm like, for real? And he's like, dude, I passed the test. I'm like, all right, what's next? What's next? He's like, oh, it's just beginning now. I'm thinking the story's over. But the story's now just beginning again because it's always what's next. Now I got to do interviews. Well, now I got to get the interviews. So people have to bring me in for interview first. Okay. So Matt's got this guy, so then U of M calls him, Detroit Mercy call him, interview time. He goes and he knocks these interviews out, comes back, feels good about them. So then I talk to Matt, hey Matt, what's next? Now, I gotta wait till December 1st before I hear anything. Alright, so now it's the waiting game, right? But what does Matt do? This is what Matt does. This is the best part about what Matt does. Matt doesn't wait around. Matt gets 4 jobs. Matt gets 4 jobs. Not because he wanted 4 jobs, not because he likes slinging hot dogs, not because he likes working at Walgreens, not because he likes substitute teaching. He does like to coach baseball, which is one of his jobs, but he gets 4 jobs because Matt's got to pay for the dental school that he's not even sure he's getting into. but he's got to pay for it. Dude's got to live in the meantime. 4 jobs. Right? Failed the test. Grinded harder. Passed the test. Got the interviews. 4 jobs. We're talking all day long working. Leaving one job to the next job, getting out at 3 a.m. December 1st comes along. University of Michigan. Hey, Matt, welcome. We've accepted you into the dental program at University of Michigan. Right? Okay, but he's not even done yet. I'm like, oh man, that's sick, dude. Congratulations. What's next? Well, now I'm waiting for Detroit Mercy. And if I get into there, then I have some decisions to make. But I don't want to for sure go one way when I have other options. 2 days later, phone call. Hey Matt, Detroit Mercy, welcome. We've accepted you in the dental program. And it's all coming to fruition. It's all happening. It's all happening. Like, it's just big time happening. It's so positive. Because Matt never quit. He grinded first. Well, first he knew what he wanted. Then he grinded as hard as he could. Then he failed. And he failed bad. And he told me how bad he failed. Right? But then he learned from his failures. And then he started the whole process over again because he knows that's the only way he was going to get to his dreams. And then it was what's next. And then he's doing it. And I'm telling you this story because some of you need a real story. And I give you my stories, but I want to tell you stories of my friends, people around me. And because their stories give me energy to tell you these stories. Like, this is why I do what I do. I hear all this positive stuff. I see all these things coming true. I see people living their dreams. And I gotta tell you about it because you can do the same thing. And that's what all this was about. It was about you. It wasn't about me. It wasn't about Matt. Matt's story is motivation for you. Because I know you're down. Right? Or if you're not, you've been down. And I know you face roadblocks. And if you haven't, you will. You are going to face adversity. You are going to face roadblocks. People will tell you to quit. Your voice in your head might tell you to quit. But it's there. And here's what Harvey said today. Harvey said the coolest thing about this, when you want it as bad as I want it, when you want it as bad as Matt wants it, you're not guaranteed to get there at a certain time, but you're guaranteed to get there. You hear what I'm saying? You hear what he's saying? We've all said the same thing, and that's why we're all friends, because we have the same message. We live the same way. You're not guaranteed to get there at the exact time you want to get there, but if you keep grinding, if you keep doing your thing, if you keep pushing through adversity, if you keep thinking about what's next, and you stay consistent, and you stay persistent, the world that you want will be yours. Guaranteed, matter of fact, no doubt. It might not be there next week, but it will be there. It's going to be yours. Keep pushing, keep grinding, do your thing, and then go get your dreams.